Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. So I'm about to do my live in about an hour's time, but I wanted to do a quick film to finish off some of the Christmas paraphernalia that I got from Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm going to do a recap and talk about what things I think would suit what your priorities are, because everyone's got different priorities, but I'm going to try and talk through in case you're thinking, well, what shall I get out of this Christmas range? Can't afford to get it all. Then I'm going to give you some thoughts about that. But this one is to finish off, as I said, just talking about a couple of things that are left that I got from her Christmas collection. So first of all, I really want to focus mainly on this brush kit. Now, I love Charlotte's brush kits. Look at that, isn't it lovely? So it's red with pink satin inside, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 brushes. Okay, now I love these brush sets, and I have bought all of them in previous years. The only one I didn't get was a couple of years ago. She did a pouch instead of a brush case like this, and it was blue velvet, but it was just a kind of pouch. And I saw it at the foundation launch, Flawless foundation launch, and I just thought it looked a little bit cheap, sorry, but it looked like something I could make myself with a bit of velvet material and a sewing machine. So I didn't get that one, although there was an exclusive brush in there to try and catch you, but I never got that one. But it wasn't one of these, but these are lovely and I use them a lot. Now I'm going to show you the previous years so that you can see for comparison's sake, and then talk about them in order, and I'll tell you kind of the pluses and minuses of each particular one. Okay, the very first year is my favourite, really. Now, it doesn't look very nice now because it's getting old and some of the prints coming off the front, but I just loved this when it came out. I wish I'd got a spare because was a beautiful burgundy, but you can see some of this red metallic prints come off. It's kind of a snakeskin print, and then inside was this gorgeous burgundy. It looks brown now, but it is burgundy. It's just I've used it a lot, so it's probably got some makeup and whatever. But that one you can see I've used a lot, and this is how I kind of use these brush kits. Is I put some lip liners, eyeliners, and also what it's really handy for is if you get a little sample of your mascaras or whatever, you can put in there. And I also put samples and whatever, so really handy to have. But that was the first year and I loved this one. It's looking a bit beaten now, but this was just, you know, the burgundy rose gold Charlotte Tilbury statement, the satin, which was burgundy, it's just faded a bit. Really beautiful. Loved it and still use that one a lot. Okay, now I'm going to move to the second year that she brought out. Now this one probably looked a little bit less classy. It's beautiful gold, but it was a sort of a little bit less textured, the design. Well, a lot less textured. It's a gloss finish. But this one has its let me put my teeth back in. This one has got a good advantage over all of them in that it is wipe clean. It's a lot easier to keep clean. I took this one to Glasgow with me. And this was brown interior, as you can see. Again, really pretty. This one went to Glasgow, and I travel a lot with this one if I'm going away because it's wipe clean. If you spill any makeup, it's not going to worry you. You can just wipe it off. And also just, you know, really pretty sort of rose gold, sparkly what have you. Then the following year, as I said, she did the blue pouch instead of the brush case. It was a case, but it was in a pouch. A little bit like one of those small manicure kits rather than a case, a clutch purse. So I didn't get that one. Then last year, now I haven't even used this yet, and I'm going to tell you why. Oh, look, it goes with my top. So last year, it was green velvet with pink lining. And you can see these are still wrapped up. Now, I kept this for best. For if I'm going to an event or whatever and I want to put it in a purse. Not that I get to go to many events because we've been in lockdown. But the reason being is because it's velvet. And if I start using this a lot, it's going to get mucky and it's going to be very difficult to clean. So I kind of keep that one in reserve for a special occasion, although I haven't had any special occasions yet. So this one went to Glasgow. I would not sling this in a case and go away with it because it would get mucky. But it's very pretty. I wasn't a huge fan of the green and the pink, but I will always get these cases because they're just really handy to have. And then this year, she's done very similar. You can see it's a similar type of velvet, but it's red. And of course, I love red. But again, the disadvantage to this is it's a smooth velvet finish. So really great if you're going to a Christmas do and you want to take your makeup set. It's pink inside. You can see? There you go. Pink. So it's got its limitations. It looks very pretty, but you wouldn't want to use this too much because it's going to start picking up makeup. So that's all the different years. So very similar to last year in terms of the material, just a different colour. And then the two previous years, this one is your very serviceable wipe clean one. And then the original, which will always be my first love. And I wish I could get hold of a new one in this. Bring this one back, Charlotte. The burgundy and rose gold was just stunning. And as I say, I just wish I'd got a reserve. Now, these retail for £45. But I actually think that is worth every penny because you get 4 brushes in here. So you get your little bronzer brush. You get a little brush which you can kind of use as an eyeliner brush. You can use it as a lip liner brush. It's quite a versatile little brush. Then you've got a smudge brush. And then you have your blending brush. Now you can get, what I do as well is I've got, as you know, I have got these heated eyelash curlers. And I got a couple of them actually because they fit in here. They're flat and they fit in here. You can put your samples in here. And what is really great about this, and this is what I did when I was in Glasgow, is all I need to do is put a foundation sample in there. And actually I can just about fit also one of the little travel sizes of a flawless powder. And an instant look in a palette and a mascara sample. You can get a mascara sample. You can put a little travel size of an eye pencil. So mascara, eye pencil, foundation, and then your instant look in a palette, and you've got everything in those two things. Going to take up no room whatsoever, and that's exactly what I did when I went to Glasgow, and I took the instant look in a palette that has the powder in it. So all I needed was a little mascara and a little eyeliner and some lipstick, and everything was there. So I hope that's been helpful. Now, there was two other things that I got that I just want to finish off because they don't really kind of I don't think I can do a video all on its own about it. But the other things I got was Pillowtalk on the go. Now, I got a couple of these because Santa's going to be giving them away as Christmas presents. But I really love this. And I love the fact that it's got the new colour chameleon in it. Now, I also love the fact that it's got the travel size Pillowtalk, because that is actually what I repurchase. I don't repurchase the full size because I find this is easier to use. It's easier to get in right into the lashes. So for those two products alone, I think it's worth it. This was £39, I think. You've got a little travel size of Pillowtalk lip liner. Now, this you can use with any lipstick because it mimics the natural shade of most people's lips. And then you've got the Pillowtalk lipstick. Now, I know not everybody wants another Pillowtalk lipstick, but, you know, you could always split it up and give that to somebody else. Although, granted, you're splitting up this really nice packaging. But I just think that's a really nice set. Now, before I finish off, I'm just going to remind you, because there's two sets that are available in the Christmas thing. And I will go into more depth when I do a comparison of all the Christmas gifts. Two sets that have got colour chameleons in. And I think for a lot of people, they'll want to decide, do I want to get the Pillowtalk colour chameleon, or do I want to get this new colour chameleon in cosmic gold with the black colour chameleon? So I'm just going to finish off by swatching you those two together so that you can see those. And I will also put up a photograph of this year's brush kit and the previous ones. And I'll finish off this video and I'll be back and I will go through everything that I have got for Christmas and tell you which ones. I haven't talked about this Cherry Dream lipstick either, which is not the one I'm wearing today. I'm wearing the other one, which is Red Wishes. But I'll do that in the last video and show you those two together when I do a comparison of all the Charlotte Tilbury Christmas things. Okay, I'm rambling on, aren't I? Shut up, Ali. Okay, I'm going to finish off and leave you with those swatches and the pictures of the brush kits. And I'll see you all. I'm hoping to get this out before my live at 1 o'clock. So see you all then. Take care. Love you all. Mwah.